English for everyday activities. Eating at a fast food restaurant. Jenny stood in line and read the menu. At the counter, she ordered her food and a drink.
I'd like one big burger, a small order of fries, and a medium cola, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
The clerk put the food on Jenny's tray, and Jenny paid her.
That'll be $5.20.
Right.
Jenny took some paper napkins and a straw from the dispensers. She ate her lunch at her table. Other people got their food to go. When she finished eating, she threw the empty wrappers in the trash.